So we remove our SD card. So this is the card I'm using, but for our case we're going to use another one. So let's put in our SD card, then close. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly. So this is the menu that comes in, of course in Japanese language, so you might not understand what is happening, but you can scan with your Google translator and you'll be able to see what it is. But for our case, we're just going straight to our file manager. So to access our file manager, you can see we have these serial numbers written here, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 11. So our main focus, our first step, is making sure that we select item number 11. Select the last one. Click on this. So check on user where we have whether we have a file called prg.flg. So if we have this file, it means that our language file will be in prg1. Otherwise, then if it's not there, it uses prg0. And since in our case it's not there, then let's go with prg0. Drag down to that, select, click on this, then APL, select, scroll all the way down. For my case, I need to access this and data, select, and this is the file we want to do a backup to our SD card. If my video is clear, this is the file that we wanted the backup into our SD card. So first things first, using these two menu items, you see you can maneuver between the options. So first select it, select, then after selecting, copy. We have copied our file, and then using the same, let's go back to our enter, and then now we can scroll back and click on select. So now we are trying to go back to our previous directory. Yes, so we want to access our SD card. So let's scroll down to our SD card, select menu, scroll down to a backup file, select. So you see I had already copied mine, but for you to be able to do the same, make sure it's there, and then you can maneuver using these options. So I will say paste, and we have our file. So it has overwritten whatever that I had there. And then going back, make sure you select that, enter. So we are going back. So we need to replace this file. So what we're going to do is first delete this file. So scroll down to user, select user, down to prg0, select that, all the way to APL folder, choose it, all the way to our lang data folder, select it, and then after doing that all the way, I would like to access This is what we want. Scroll down, choose that specific folder, Japan one. Then using these maneuvering icons, select it first. Then after selecting it, we don't want to copy it. We already copied it to our backup file. So let's delete it. So we are going to delete it. So before you delete, make sure you backup. So delete. So we don't have this file appearing now in our bank data folder. So we maneuver back to that, and then back to our root section. Enter again, press that again, all the way to our root section, which is here. Now let's go copy. We are going to copy our original file that we downloaded. So it's in our SD card. On this folder, it's on that folder. Select it. This is what we want. Select it, select, enter. So we have selected that specific file, and then now maneuvering, we want to copy it. Highlighted, copy. So we have been able to copy that. Then using the same menu, make sure you're on enter. Yes. We're going back. That is our root section. I hope you can see that. Then from our root section, we go to our user folder, select our user folder, and then drag down to PRG0. That's it. Select it. Upon selecting it, let's go to our APL folder, the same path. Select it. In case you're missing it, all these procedures, I put them on the manual PDF attached. Then all the way to a long data. This is it. Select. And this is where the file was. So since we deleted it, it doesn't exist. So we use now this navigation. Okay, and then we say paste. Now since we have pasted it, you can see PRG has appeared. And that's all. By the way, we have been able to replace this file to hack our stuff. So upon doing that, that's all. Yeah, so I think you can see we have our English now version. Audio settings, everything is in English, you know. Exit, back to same menu, systems. Yeah, so we have achieved our goal. Thank you guys. I hope this will help you. Exit. Even navigation, you can see everything is in English. So we're good. Thank you guys.